The National Security Council, or NSC, is currently investigating the origins of an underwater drone found in Masbate. NSC Assistant Director General Jonathan Malaya stated they are reviewing several pieces of information, including the drone's specifications and the ships that pass through the area. The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, is continuing its investigation, which will guide the government's next steps. Malaya emphasized the discovery of the drone, which is used for reconnaissance and surveillance, has national security implications. He also noted that while it is too early to speculate, authorities are coordinating with the foreign counterparts to gather additional information.
It's too early to say, partner, no? Mahirap mag-speculate as to the possible motives of this drone, no? Kasi kung lalabas dito na it comes from this certain country at ang ginagawa niya ay illegal, then we can say, no, and make a conclusion. As of now, hindi mahirap mag-speculate, no? Let's just give our authorities enough time para matapos nila yung kanilang investigasyon. We're also coordinating very closely with our foreign counterparts para malaman natin, para makakuha pa tayo ng additional information tungkol dito. Kasi ang nakakabahala kasi nito ay nasa more or less archipelagic waters ng ating bansa. Nagpapadala tayo ng mga vessels mula sa Philippine Coast Guard at sa BFAR, we have been doing rotational deployment ng ating mga barko para masuportahan yung ating mangingisda, no? Makakaasa po ang ating mga mangingisda dyan sa Zambales, no, Pangasinan, na siyang pumupunta sa Baho de Masinloc, na hindi po titigal ang ating pamahalaan na magbigay ng suporta sa kanila in terms of presence, at the same time yung libreng diesel at mga pinamimigay na mga iba pang suportang pagkain para maipagpatuloy nila yung kanilang pangingisda sa area ng Baho de Masinloc.